Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Candy Crush Saga. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here you will search about Candy Crush Saga. In this window here of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.